Hey everyone, so I'm Rahul Prajapati. I'm working as a senior data analyst at Addend with 3.5 years of experience. So in today powerBI tutorial, I am going to break down one of the most powerful and underrated tax function, Treatas Dax Function. So do you ever find yourself stuck when you can't create a relationship in Power BI but still need to filter one table based on another? That's where Treatas comes in. Lets you simulate a relationship without actually creating one. Imagine you have a disconnected slicer table with a date, month, and year. And do you want to filter out the cells, this one, using the slicer, but there are no relationship between. Instead of creating a relationship, you can use a three test to apply the selected date or month or year as a filter directly to the cells table. So I will show you the first. There is no relationship present between the date table and sales data, but we have date present in sales data and date table also have a date. So I have already created one table visual. Here you can see. Here we have pass a month or treatise. So I will show you one more thing. If I put here sales, so here you can see the sales is not filtering out with the month. Okay, so just a thing I will show you the function. So this calculator, so treatise will work with inside the calculate and calculate table function. So generally we pass a calculate some cells and we have used treatise values, first expression and column name. So I have put this measure inside. I have already put this in table. So this will calculate the sales and filter out with the month. So let's say you have a slicer from a disconnect. So this is also come from the date table. So it's a dynamic work. So as a user change the slicer, this method dynamic filter the sales without a relationship. So just I select a January. So here you can see Jan data is 41,000. Here is also 141K. We have also passed two or more columns. So this column work with the composite key, and for example, I have used a fab. So 40,000. This will also work dynamically. If I select a quarter to April, so April also have data. But if I select May, so it's showing the blink with that for the May month the data is not present in my data set. So here are the key points sum. So treatise only work inside the calculator. Now calculator I have already explained this, and it doesn't actually create a relationship. Just is a virtual. This is just a kind of virtual relationship. Data type of must match. So we have used the same type date to date, and so the summary of the treatise is simple. Is it is a virtual relationship tool in DAX. It's help you filter one table using value from another table, even without a relationship in your model. It's make your data more cleaner, reduce the need for physical relationship, and give you a lot of flexibility. So I think this is helpful for you. If you have any questions, put the comment, and thank you for watching.